It's a great question. And look, I mean, it's going to be, unless you own a farm and you just go out there and do your own slaughter, it's going to be very hard to find the right type of meat today and animals. I agree with you. So I think you need to be a little careful. But in the overall scheme of things, when you're boiling it, you're going to denature some of those bad things. So overall, I don't think it'll be a problem. And there's not that much concentration of toxic things that go into the bone. More toxic things go into the liver because it's stored there and detoxification occurs in the liver. So if an animal source is suspect, I wouldn't eat their fatty things, which is the liver. Now, there is some fat in the bone marrow, I understand that. But overall, no, I haven't read much about toxicity from bone. I wouldn't worry about it.
So is there a particular animal we should be using for the bone broth?
People use chicken, they use mutton, they use goat, they use beef. It really doesn't matter.
Okay.
Any one of those is okay. You see, inevitably, you're always going to get some toxins these days. Whether you like it or not, there's some toxins are going to get into. That is why you need a daily prevention program. That's what I'm telling all of you. Number one, don't eat fish more than twice a week. Number two, stop poisoning yourselves by putting estrogen disruptors on your skin every day, by putting creams. I need creams. Oh, wait a second, I don't have cream deficiency. Why are you doing it? Why are you estrogenizing yourself? Already we have a nation of estrogenized men and women. So what's happened is that sperm counts have gone down, fertility rates have gone down, cancer rates have gone up, partly because of estrogenization. We've been an estrogenic society. And this all comes from the environment. And not only that, but it comes from the plastics, the phthalates. Please do not put plastics in your food by cooking in those utensils or heating them in microwaves that are not suitable for that, and try not to take any foods that have been put in plastics, basically. And water also is very suspect. The BPH you should all avoid as well.